Hey, Chippewa 8th graders, Ms. Weinhagen here. I just want to thank you for your patience and grace this week as we've navigated an entirely new schedule from the first 2 weeks of school. Fifth hour, you guys have been rock stars for those of you who have been at school. And I'm hoping those students in fifth hour who are at home understood what was expected. This is a video because I'm going to make some tweaks and changes just to make sure we are all on the same page. So sixth hour, this is going to really be helpful for you as you get into the next 2 days. So let's just start here with using sixth hour as an example so that everybody is very clear, because I think there's some confusion as to what needs to be done and what my expectation is. So if we go to sixth hour Google Classroom, you can still, this is the place you want to be. So you're going to go to classwork. And then at the very top is you'll see our course calendar and Google Meet link. That is something that is changing. Zoom has been giving me a run for my money with technical difficulties with students trying to get into Zoom and it not letting them. So I'm crossing my fingers that this is going to be easier for you to log on at the beginning of class, to participate in the warm-up with us, just to maybe see some live interactions with me as well as your classmates who are at school. You can still use the course calendar as a place to go find that daily task list, but I'm going to simplify this for you. Your topic is going to be by the week, so you got to know what the date was on Monday, no matter what. And then there will be 2 assignments posted each week, okay? So you'll see there's one scheduled for later this week. Blended learners, okay? You only will do one of these assignments each week because you're in person with me the other day. Distance learners, you must complete both days. So when you click on this daily assignment, and this would be for tomorrow's sixth hour, the daily task list is going to be here. So super simple, simplified it, easy. It's the actual assignment that you need to do. And when you click on it, you're going to see something that looks very familiar. I did make one other change in that I have 2 columns because the kids who are in person with me, blended learners who are at school for the day, just don't need to worry about Google Classroom at all for the day. So my blended learners who I see on Mondays at school, then they would do this blended learning column on Tuesdays when they're at home. My blended learning learners that I see on Tuesday who are at home on Monday will do this column, always the left column for the blended learners. So that's the same for my sixth hour kids who I have some kids coming on Wednesdays. So then on Thursdays, they would follow this column. But tomorrow, if you're not coming to school, but you're a blended learner, you are going to follow this left column, okay? Distance learners, you are going to be the right column, full distance learning column. Super simple. The link to the Google Meet is here, but it's also up with the course calendar. So that should be super simple to get into. I'm hoping for no problems there. The warm-up is here. If you're comfortable, I'd love for your camera to be on so that I can see you moving and just see your faces, because for some of you, I only get to see you in the virtual world. Each of these blue is a hyperlink, so you will kind of see that you can click on it. If you miss signing on, okay, no big deal. Click on the warm-up, do the warm-up on your own, and then get going on your tasks for the day. These are sometimes going to be different, so it's really important that you follow your column that pertains to you. There will always be some sort of slides that help you understand exactly what you're doing, and then some sort of form that you have to do. Make sure you complete the form. Typically, there's going to be 2 forms for you to complete in a day, and you should do them in order when you're doing them. Once you are done with all of the tasks for the day, you are done with PE for the day, okay? So usually it should take about 60 minutes of time after you have left the Google Meet. So I'm hoping that this clears up any confusion that you have. I'm hoping we don't have any more technical difficulties with Google Meet going forward. And if you do have questions, please reach out to me and I can answer them for you.